I would go to school 5 days a week, and then I would go to the Story Factory on Sunday, and on Sundays I would think this is what the other 5 days should have been.
So I first became involved with the Story Factory in 2012, right when the doors opened. Every week for 3-4 years I used to practice my creative writing and read books, just back to back, just reading and reading and reading, and I really got used to it, and it became like a second home in a way.
Your thought, your feeling, your words matters, and it should be heard by others. And that's the very one important thing that I learned from Story Factory.
You're not just being delivered material, you're kind of participating and you're asking questions, being asked questions, and you really feel like you're not just a bucket to be filled.
Story Factory is an absolutely amazing place to be.
I think that my life would definitely be different if I didn't attend Story Factory. Without it, I wouldn't think the same as I do now.
I think the Story Factory is very important, especially for people who maybe come from backgrounds where it's not easy for them to have a voice.
Story Factory taught me confidence in my writing, taught me that I had something worth sharing, a story worth telling.
The Story Factory really helps people share their ideas with the world, and so I think it's very, very important for people to be able to feel like they have a voice.
We are taught to find our voice through writing. I am autistic. Story is a way to let the world know that I have thoughts.
Who would think that a 16-year-old walking on the street would have 3 books already because of Story Factory? They're absolutely amazing. I can't express it enough.
I think Story Factory has definitely influenced what I do now.
It helped me in my professional career.
Story Factory really inspired me to continue my creative journey. I knew it was a community I wanted to be a part of.
Having people that see writing as a way of connecting and of empowering young people, that's been the way that I look at writing since Story Factory, and it's not changed after that at all.
It's the ability to just, have your ideas, place it down on paper and present it to the world. I think that's a very heart-opening experience.
Story Factory changed my life, and it can change other people's life.
Story Factory will make a good home to whoever wants to share their story.